Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm just getting ready to climb up on a roof in Springfield, Virginia, and the homeowner would like an estimate for roof replacement. Now, the first thing I noticed is the overall condition of the shingles. It's very deteriorated, the granules are coming off, and also you can see the fiberglass mat coming through the shingles. Now, another thing is there's no shingle overlap going into the gutter. So when it rains heavy, the water comes down the roof and then it backs up underneath the shingles and then it leaks inside the home. So let me go up on the roof and see exactly what's going on here. They have aluminum ridge vents. All that would be removed and replaced after the new roof is installed. We use a Cobra ridge vent. It's a heavy duty plastic, and then the cap shingles goes on top. And here you can see the fiberglass mat. It's like this throughout the whole roof. Everywhere I look, you can see the fiberglass. Now also they have 2 layers of shingles on this roof. The underside was a 3-tab shingle. The color was golden cedar, and then they nailed the architectural on top. Also the flashing on the bottom of the skylights coming up. They must have had leaks here once before because somebody used a different shingle and a color completely around the skylight, and then they spread tar over some roof nails. So eventually when this tar gives way, these skylights would leak again. They have a 3-tab shingle on the lower roof. This is not a good shingle. It only has a wind resistance of 60 miles per hour and a 25-year manufacturer warranty. If we're going to do the entire house, the upper roof with the architectural, I would highly recommend to replace this roof as well, because like I said, it's not a good roof. And here you can see the overlap going into the gutter, the shingles. It's too short. So some of that water could be going down inside the wall, and eventually, if the insulation becomes saturated, they'll have a leak where the lower roof meets up against the wall. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I would highly recommend for this roof to be removed and replaced. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.